Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Ps5 is powered and you're signed in. This gives you immediate access to controller options. Once you've checked battery level, charge if under 10%, press and hold the PS button briefly to wake or pair. Then, press the console power button once to confirm system responsiveness. Make sure the controller is connected via Bluetooth or USB. If not, plug in a cable now. This prepares you to safely proceed with controller shutdown steps. You press and hold the PS button for about 2 seconds to open the quick menu. That's your control hub. Once open, navigate to Accessories or Controllers. The exact label varies by system update, and select it so you can see connected devices. From that list, choose the DualSense wireless controller, then pick Turn off device and confirm. This method is immediate and avoids changing system power settings, which is why it's preferred when you only want the motion controller off. If the quick menu route fails, go to Settings, then Accessories and General to access controller power controls. Choose Turn off device there. When the controller won't power down, use the small reset button on the back, press with a paperclip for 5 seconds because that clears stuck states. Once done, make sure to restart the console if the controller still responds. This often re-establishes proper pairing and power behavior. If problems persist, check for system updates before assuming hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.